Subscribe to the channel right now if you want real financial growth, not hype. Most people don't struggle because they earn too little. They struggle because they don't know where their money actually goes. Imagine earning $5,000 a month and still feeling broke. That was Jason's reality. Every month he worked hard, paid bills, enjoyed weekends, and still wondered why his savings barely moved. One day, he made a simple decision. He tracked every single dollar for 30 days. What he found shocked him. $900 was disappearing into food delivery, random Amazon purchases, unused subscriptions, and impulse buys. None of them felt big. Together, they were massive. Tracking didn't make him cheap. It made him aware. Within 3 months, he redirected $700 per month into savings and investments. Same income, different awareness. You cannot improve what you refuse to measure. If you want financial control, start by tracking your money. If this opened your eyes, subscribe now and take control of your financial future.